Welcome to the Barrandey home. Come on in. Friends, today I'll be sharing with you some of the things that are near and dear to me, some of my favorite things that I put out at Christmas. One of my favorite things you've already seen, which is my little elf. He is here at the door to greet everybody. And here's a cute little wreath I made years and years ago. And I always keep it on this stand that my niece Michelle made for me years ago. She made Christmas gifts for everybody in the family. And I love it. It's perfect. As you walk in on my little foyer table, I just have a little Santa and candy. And I have my favorite picture of all of us at Christmas. It was an ugly sweater party. My whole family. All my kids and my daughter-in-laws. Love it, and it stays right there as you enter. All right, friends, let's go on, and I'm going to show you my big tree. My big tree is a combination of all the things that I love that are my favorite at Christmas. It's ornaments from friends, ornaments from family, ornaments that I made, and ornaments that some of my kids made. And a lot of them are picture ornaments, and I want to share with you, look how cute they are. This is Eric and Leanna right here. And then I have my John Paul and Laurie over here, and I have Jared with us. I just love picture ornaments, and I make them all the time. Now, this year I didn't do a bunch to my tree. I just kind of put it together because of our move situation. I was short on time, but I still feel like it turned out pretty good considering I was under pressure. Oh yeah, and about these presents, I know that they're not decorated with bows and stuff, but I'll tell you why in a minute. These are all gifts from my friends, and I'll tell you why they don't have bows and stuff on them. My mantle is just plain and simple this year. I just pulled out stuff that I already had. These snowmen are my favorite. I've had them for years and years. There's a story behind them, and I got them from Cracker Barrel a long time ago. And I just love them. I love all my Christmas stuff, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. And there's Santa's boots right there. They're by the fireplace. A lot of my stuff is a combination of what people have given me over the years. These are Secret Santa gifts. This and that little snowflake and this centerpiece. And I treasure some of the gifts that my friends give me, and I pull them out every year and think about them at Christmas. All right, friends. Next, in the dining area, I just wanted to share with you. Here's my little snowman that started it all in my Christmas in July series. He is so cute and just lights up the whole cabinet. And I have a little small nativity here. And I wanted to point out this snowman up here. He's very, very old. My husband surprised me with that one year for our anniversary. And I thought, what? A snowman for my anniversary? But you know what? I'll take it. It's so cute, and it barely moves around anymore, but he keeps on trucking, and I keep putting him out every year. Okay, and this tree here is nothing but memories of my kids pictures with Santa. Here's my John Paul with Santa Claus. There's Eric with Santa. And friends, this is a little ornament that Eric made when he was in first grade in Miss Cotton's class. And all of these ornaments are connected to my kids in one way or another. And I just love looking at the pictures of them and how much they've grown up. And it's a joy to have a tree. You need to start a tradition and have your kids' pictures with Santa displayed on a Christmas tree. All right. I wanted to point out my nativity set that I just love. I didn't have room for all of it this year, all the pieces, but I just love it. It's made out of tin and ceramic. And there's a story behind this too, but I put it out every year. I didn't have enough room to display all the pieces, the angels. It's got some big angels and a big star, but Either way, it is so important for me to have this out every year. Love it. Oh, friends, I'm so hot. I'm melting. It is 80 degrees in Alvarado, Texas, and I'm wearing winter clothes. Woo, doggy. Okay, friends, here's my gingerbread themed tree. I love the way it looks. It doesn't have a bow on it yet, and I'm not even sure if I'll put a bow on it, but I'm really pleased with how it turned out and all my ornaments. And look, the little elf on a stick, he's sticking his little head out. I just love that. We're fixing to host a little get-together with some family and friends, and we'll probably take pictures around here. And I always have a little photo booth area, and I'll have props for them, and we do stuff like this. Anyway, friends, I just love my tree. It turned out so cute, but I think I'm gonna have to have a bigger one next year. I don't think that one's big enough. So another thing I wanted to show you and share with you is my garland. It's not completely finished because I didn't have time to put the ribbon bows on it, but I wanted to go ahead and share it with you anyway. Look, friends, I think it turned out so cute. I love it. One thing that I would probably do different, I'd probably make the gingerbread house a little bit bigger, because I just realized as I was putting it up there today that the little kids are much more bigger than the gingerbread house. But oh well, who cares? It looks cute anyway. I love it. It turned out so cute, I think. Another thing I wanted to share with you is my very first fake bake cake. Look at that. I don't have a tutorial on this yet, but some of the things that I used were from a little toy bag from Dollar Tree, and then this ornament was from Michael's last year. But my friend Cindy showed me how to do the frosting look on this, and I followed her tutorial and I did it. Look, friends, I just love the way it turned out. Maybe we'll have a tutorial on it, but not before Christmas, I'm afraid. And I collect things, gingerbread things. I just love gingerbread men. Look at this. Are you breaking up with me? My favorite. Look at that. That's so cute. That was a gift. And I have my favorite recipe book there at Christmas. Here's my little cookie jar my mom gave me a long time ago. And as you can see, I have all kinds of gingerbread stuff. Probably too much, but I love it. And over here, he was new. I got him at Hobby Lobby. This is a new edition this year. And I thought he was so cute. I just had to have him. I think I got him last year at Hobby Lobby. And here's my fake bundt cake that my friend Cindy sent me as a housewarming gift. Look at that. Is that not cute, friends? And then this is a plate that my little bestie, my little sweet Susan, my dear friend Susan, gave me for a housewarming gift as well. And look how perfect they go together. Perfect. Love them. Okay, friends, I think that over here in my little wet bar area, I have a little Santa. He's so cute. He's holding a basket with grapes and little wine bottles. Is that not cute and so perfect for this area? And I've got my favorite snowman bottle I made last year. It makes such a cute decoration, and it takes nothing to put one together. And of course, I just love him. This sign I picked up I bought at Decorator's Warehouse. It was a bit pricey, but Eric and I just thought it was so cute and I needed to have it. I don't know that this is the perfect place for it at this time, but I thought it would look so cute there for now. And I wanted to point out, we made these a long time ago as a family get-together at my niece Michelle's house. Every Christmas we'd get together and make something. This bottle right here was made by Eric. One year he made these for gifts for everybody, and I still have mine, and I just love the way it looks there. It's perfect.
And there's people on the channel that don't think I can craft.
I know, and you can craft. Okay, friends, I'm going to take you back into my studio. I have something else I want to share with you right quick. Oops, friends, before we come in here, let me show you something else. Come on, it won't take long. Friends, when we did the house tour, we weren't able to show you the patio because the wind was just blowing at 60 miles an hour. But we can today. Welcome to our little patio out here. This is where we sit and enjoy and watch the moon come up at night, and when it's a full moon, it's so beautiful. We just love to spend time out here and relax, and we watch TV during lunch sometimes, and it's so nice to have a fireplace outside. Friends, I just love it. It's just, we don't have a pool at this house, but it's okay. We have a fireplace outside, and it's really nice, and I just enjoy it a lot. And I have another Christmas tree out here that I think I bought on sale after Christmas several years ago for like $7. And I got it because it reminds me of my mom's tree. She had a silver one that looks similar to that. So, and my snowman I've had for a long time, and he's followed us from house to house to house. And that little present my niece Michelle made for us one year. And anyway, I just wanted to share my little patio area with you. Now, let's go back to the studio. Okay, friends, the presents that were underneath the tree, we're fixing to host our little Christmas party. What I do is I have a white elephant gift exchange, but I buy all the presents. I don't let anybody bring one. And what I buy are things that are on sale after Christmas, and things that I'll throw in some thrift store buys, and then I'll throw in some things that I no longer want or use. That's what I do for the girls, and we have a lot of fun. Now for the guys, this is what I do. This year, they're getting some kind of a toy car. They don't know it yet. But friends, this is such a great idea for a white elephant gift for the guys, because I went through the summer to Dollar Tree and found all kinds of Hot Wheels, and we're big Hot Wheel collectors anyway. And look, you find like this one is a Batmobile, but there's all kinds of Hot Wheels in there, and there's also some Batman figurines, and the guys are gonna love exchanging these and fighting for them and having a great time. That's a great idea that you might want to have at your party one day, and it's inexpensive and it's fun. Another thing I wanted to share with you, we haven't had a Christmas party in the last 2 years because of COVID, but the last time we did, I took pictures of all the couples that came, and during the summer, I fixed them an ornament. And when they come to the party this year, they'll be receiving their ornament from 2019. Look at this. This is our friends Steve and Sharon. Look how sweet. And look at Steve. He's looking at her. So sweet.
You can't really see anything. Okay. The lighting sucks in here without professional light.
All right. But anyway.
I'm just letting you know.
All right. Sorry.
I can't see. Which means they can't see.
Okay, friends. But anyway, I put their picture in there, and I put a tag, and then I have it in a cute little bag, and I let the tag stick out. And this is one of their party favors that they get to take home. Anyway, well, friends, hope you enjoyed my little walkthrough. I'll be looking forward to putting out some more things before Christmas for you, and thank you so much for joining us today. We love and appreciate you, friends. See you next time. Love y'all.